The golden rule of tech has always been simple: you get what you pay for. If you want the best experience, you empty your wallet for the Pro or Ultra model. But right now, DJI is doing something that breaks every rule in the marketing handbook. They've released the Goggles N3, a headset that costs less than half of their flagship Goggles 3, yet in some of the most critical categories, comfort, accessibility, and pure field of view, it's actually winning. There is a silent civil war happening in the FPV community right now. On one side, you have the purists who swear by micro OLED and high-dollar specs. On the other hand, you have a new wave of pilots who have discovered a secret. The Goggles N3 might be the most fun way to fly that DJI has ever created. By the end of this video, you are going to understand why the budget label on the N3 is a massive distraction from the truth. We're going to tear down the specs, look at why your glasses might be the biggest reason to buy these, and reveal the one feature DJI hidden in the firmware that makes these a must-have for 2026. Let's start with the giant screen effect. If you've ever used the Goggles 2 or the Goggles 3, you know they feel like looking through a pair of high-end binoculars. The image is crisp, but it's contained. The Goggles N3 takes a completely different approach. By using a single massive 3.5-inch LCD panel instead of two tiny micro-LEDs, DJI has created a cinematic field of view. At 54 degrees, the FOV on the N3 is actually wider than the flagship Goggles 3. When you put these on, you aren't just looking at a screen, you are being swallowed by the horizon. For the American pilot who wants that cockpit feeling, that sense that you are actually sitting on the nose of the drone, the N3 provides a sense of scale that the more expensive goggles simply cannot match. But here is where the glasses war ends. If you wear prescription glasses, you know the struggle of FPV. You either have to buy expensive custom inserts, or you have to fiddle with diopter dials that never quite feel perfect. The Goggles N3 was designed with a space-first philosophy. The interior is massive. You don't take your glasses off, you just put the goggles on over them. There is no pressure on your frames, no fogging of your lenses, and no light leakage. It is the first time a major manufacturer has treated glasses wearers as a priority rather than an afterthought. For millions of potential pilots who are intimidated by the ergonomics of FPV, the N3 just removed the biggest barrier to entry. Now let's talk about the O4 revolution. Just because the N3 is affordable doesn't mean it's using old tech. It is powered by DJI's O4 video transmission system. The same tech found in the Avata 2 and the Neo. We are talking about 1080p video at 60 frames per second with a latency so low that your brain can't even register the delay. In the vast landscapes of the US, from the canyons of Utah to the forests of the Pacific Northwest, range is king. The N3 offers a 13-kilometer transmission range that is nearly 8 miles of crystal-clear HD signal. For a budget headset to offer that kind of reach is unheard of. It effectively makes the N3 a long-range powerhouse for a fraction of the cost. But why did DJI make it so cheap? $229 is a disruptive price point. It's a price that says, we want everyone in the sky. But there is a hidden strategy here. By making the Goggles N3 compatible with the DJI Neo,